Hi everyone, it's Mr. Manta here, and for today's activity, we have a bowling game. So what I have right here in my hand is a regular sized kickball. If you have a ball like this, you could definitely use that. If you don't have a kickball, you could use something that's a little bit heavier, maybe like a basketball or a soccer ball, something that when you roll, it will be able to knock over the pins. So I have 6 pins set up right in front of me here. If you don't have pins, you can use some water bottles or just something kind of smaller that will be able to be knocked over by a ball. So when we're bowling, we want to make sure that we are facing our target and stepping towards our target. So I'm going to turn around and kind of, after I explain it, and do a couple of turns, but you want to make sure you're facing your target and stepping towards your target with your opposite foot. So for me, my dominant hand is my right hand. And all that means when I say dominant hand is my stronger hand. So if I'm in class, if I'm writing or coloring, I'm using that hand. So I'm gonna face my pins. I'm gonna step towards them with my opposite foot, which will be my left foot. I'm gonna bend over nice and low towards the ground, and I'm gonna just roll the ball on the ground towards my target. For my first few turns, I'm gonna go maybe a little bit closer, and then once I start to get comfortable with the skill, I can start to challenge myself and back up a little bit more, okay? So I'll go for my first turn. Facing my target, I'm gonna step towards my target, bend over nice and low, roll the ball on the ground. So I knocked over 5 pins. I can then try again to knock over that last pin that I had, or if I'd like, I can reset all the pins and then just go again. I hope that you enjoy this game. Give it a shot and let me know if you like it. And as always, have a wonderful day. Take care.